Hey guys, if you're looking for the best super automatic espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best super automatic espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which super automatic espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. DeLonghi Dinamica Plus, overall best super automatic espresso machine. DeLonghi makes some of the most aesthetically pleasing, technologically capable coffee machines on the market. In fact, if I had to pick my favorite coffee machines, most of the contenders would be from DeLonghi, especially the Dinamica Plus is certainly one of them. The Dinamica Plus will do almost everything for you. I have to fight my barista instincts and take a step back. My coffee rituals have been transformed from rigorous to relaxed. I don't mind this since the Dinamica Plus makes a coffee to rival even the best coffee makers on the market. Owning the Dinamica Plus means that the only thing you'll have to worry about is which roastery you are buying your next bag of coffee beans. That doesn't sound like a tough life. Once I had lifted this 21-pound coffee maker onto my countertop, I didn't want to move it again. It's heavy. It also feels like it has a large footprint even though it's relatively compact for a bean-to-cup machine. Number 2. Gaggia Brera, best super automatic espresso machine for beginners. This Gaggia Brera super automatic espresso machine brews rich, smooth coffee quickly. Its compact size fits easily in small kitchens or offices. The silver finish looks sleek and modern on any counter. Enjoy fresh espresso with just one touch, thanks to its easy controls. Cleaning is simple, making daily use hassle-free and enjoyable. Brews fresh espresso quickly with just one button press. Compact size fits easily on small kitchen counters. Built-in grinder offers fresh coffee grounds every time. Easy to clean with removable water tank and drip tray. Adjustable settings let you customize coffee strength and temperature. The Gaggia Brera espresso machine fits nicely on my small kitchen counter. It makes coffee quickly and tastes great every time. Cleaning is simple and does not take long. The silver color looks good and matches my other appliances. Settings are easy to understand and change. Number 3. Philips 3200. LatteGo, best budget bean-to-cup espresso machine. Experience rich coffee flavors with the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. The LatteGo milk frother creates smooth, creamy milk for perfect lattes and cappuccinos. 5 coffee varieties let you enjoy different tastes with just one machine. The intuitive touch display makes choosing your drink quick and easy. A 100% ceramic grinder ensures fresh coffee every time without overheating the beans. The AquaClean filter helps keep the machine clean longer, giving you great coffee day after day. Enjoy 5 coffee styles with a simple touch display. LatteGo frother makes creamy milk foam fast and easy. Ceramic grinder keeps coffee fresh and avoids overheating. AquaClean filter reduces cleaning and improves water quality. Customize strength and temperature with My Coffee Choice settings. This Philips espresso machine brews coffee quickly and tastes great every time. Number 4. Jura Z10, best performing fully automatic espresso machine. The Jura Z10 is both a powerful and premium-looking coffee machine, but it's pretty pricey. It offers brilliant smart features and a choice of 32 high-quality coffee specialties you can customize to your exact taste. From cold brews for iced latte fans to deep, rich espressos with a magnificent layer of crema. It does have a few quirks in its operation and maintenance that can make it a little fiddly to use, though. The Jura Z10 is a versatile bean-to-cup coffee machine from Swiss manufacturer Jura. It comes with the precision and power to grind beans, extract coffee, and froth milk, resulting in the perfect cup of coffee every time. Once you've got the knack for its settings. Number 5. Terra Kaffe TK02, best fully automatic smart espresso machine. The Terra Kaffe TK02 automates the tedious parts of coffee brewing with intelligent sensors and extensive personalization. Its premium price and lack of physical controls may deter purists, but this is the most accessible and connected way to get cafe-quality brews at home each day. You can choose a specialty drink at a tap and use the app to dial in both flavor and strength. Its ability to brew both hot espresso and true drip coffee without swapping filters makes it highly versatile. The Terra Kaffe TK02 blows it out of the water with full-flavored bean or pre-ground coffee brewing in a completely automated process. Its pro-level extraction is delicious and speedy enough to give the best coffee makers a run for their money. This super automatic all-in-one system blends convenience, smarts, and quality into a sleek tower that's easy to maintain and access. Number 6. DeLonghi Eletta Explore, best super automatic espresso machine for cold foam. The DeLonghi Eletta Explore is an accomplished bean-to-cup coffee machine that's perfect for coffee lovers who don't have the time to maintain an espresso machine. Plus, it can make both hot and cold beverages and comes with everything you might need for a fully operational caffeination station. However, some of the design elements are a little underbaked. Throw your Starbucks loyalty card out of the window, because the DeLonghi Eletta Explore is here to completely shake up your coffee addiction, offering a gamut of both cold and hot drinks in one brilliant machine. Number 7. Miele CM 7750, best super automatic espresso machine with multiple bean hoppers. The Miele CM 7750 features the distinctive design aesthetic for which the manufacturer is known. There isn't another automatic coffee maker that looks quite like a Miele, and the obsidian black finish lends the machine a refined and streamlined appearance. I happen to love the way Miele coffee makers look. Plus, during my Miele CM 7750 review, I was particularly impressed by the machine's high-quality construction. There's plenty of stainless steel in evidence, including the drip tray and dispensing spout. What's more, the rugged housing appears to be pretty much indestructible. I should mention that the Miele CM 7750 is spectacularly big and bulky. If space is tight in your kitchen, you might be better off perusing the more compact models in my best super automatic espresso machine guide. Still, like I said earlier, the manufacturer is determined to make a grand statement here. I guess bigger is better in this case. Up top, you have access to the 3 bean containers. There's also a wonderful stainless steel active cup warmer up here. Number 8. Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe, best mid-range super automatic espresso machine. The Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe fully automatic espresso machine is another newcomer from home appliance giant Bosch. A German company, Bosch has been making all kinds of appliances for centuries. Though they're new to the North American coffee scene, Bosch has produced super automatic espresso machines in Europe for over 50 years. The 800 Series VeroCafe is a super automatic with a built-in ceramic grinder, an integrated milk container, auto frothing technology, and an internal brew group. What's more, Bosch's AromaMax system controls the grinding dose, water volume, flow rate, and brew temperature. Even better, the 800 Series VeroCafe has a large TFT LCD touchscreen display that is super easy to navigate. Through this display, you can choose from a range of drink options and customize your preferred strength, aroma profile, milk ratio, and drink size. The display even allows you to access 36 different drink recipes through the Coffee World feature. Needless to say, later on in this Bosch 800 Series VeroCafe review, I'll interrogate the true value of the Coffee World feature.